Hey guys, RR Expert here. I'm a bit late for the 4-hour candle, but also late with the entry now, but I'm gonna go long here. Should have gone long here, but again, this is only for educational purposes. Doing the same thing as always, waiting for the 4-hour candle to open. And again, I was late to the party. But even if you miss the first or the initial move, you can always get in later. Okay, let's see if we can do another one. That's the thing, you know, when you anticipate the 4-hour candle, there's some good moves, you know. If you look at the charts, maybe this candle would have been a problem, you know. You can see that this candle might have gone down, might have gone up, you know. But for example, these candles, you know, these candles are really good. Here as well, here. All these are pretty good ones. Not this one, you know. Sometimes price consolidates. But overall, the 4-hour candle has some pretty good moves. You could also trade the 1 hour. There are also some good moves on the hour, but the probability is lower when you're trading this model. Let's see. Because Nasdaq is going into, let me see, price discovery. Let me see. Yeah, it's making new highs. So if it's making new highs, and because there is no info here on the left side, it's really hard to trade. You know, you don't know what is going to bounce off. You just go to another asset. You know, let's see what S&P is doing. Maybe Bitcoin. Let me see. Bitcoin. Let me see how late. What is this? Let's see what gold is doing. Same with gold, eh? Here, 10 o'clock a.m., 4-hour candle opens. You know, you see this strength, you know, going up. It's always a good, these moves are always like a good indication that the price wants to go somewhere, you know. But let's see. When watching my previous videos, you'll notice I don't even bother looking at the dollar index, you know. It's just a waste of time. You don't need this. You know, there's people that saying dollar goes up, Nasdaq goes down, but you don't need this stuff because you're not doing fundamental trading. You know, day trading has nothing to do with this, with inversion or inverted correlations. You know, you don't need those things. I'm proving this, you know, every day with these videos. I'm gonna go short here on gold. Seems like it doesn't want to go up here, so let's go short. So this is a pretty good entry, you know. Even, let me see, if you would aim for more than then 1 and 1. And so this is, yeah, so 1 and 1 would be here. And so just gonna move my stop loss here. And even because we had a good entry, you could just let it run, you know. But let's see if we can do another one. Okay, so this was a bad entry, but let's just see. So this is the thing here, you know, that's why I did 2 trades instead of 1. And because let's see if it wants to go up now. And even if it goes down, you know, at least we took some money, but yeah, it seems like, yeah, I should have gone long here. I should have entered here, but you know, it doesn't matter. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. This is a proof. I'm showing you one-on-one trades. You can do them everywhere, you know, as long as you know what you're doing. You know, and this takes some experience. You know, I think if you're new to trading, it can take up to a year. But if you have a lot of experience, in 4 or 5 sessions, you can learn this. You know, these one-on-one moves, they happen everywhere. I'm going to close this trade because I don't like it when it does this. You know, some ICT students would trade this. Someone told me, or he taught me, that this is a breaker, you know. Have a high, low, higher high, and then a displacement. And then they said you enter here, so you would go short here somewhere. I don't believe in that nonsense. These patterns, they don't mean anything. Because if you look on the 1 minute, you're not seeing such a pattern. You're also not seeing anything in here. That's an indication of the price want to go down. And because the price is in price discovery, there is nothing on the left side that it is going to bounce up. So this is all gambling now on Nasdaq, unless you were in this move here or here. But again, I was not behind my computer when this was happening. Let's see if we can do a trade in, let me see, what is this, in like 13 minutes when the hourly candle closes. Let's do a short on Bitcoin here. It's going too fast. Let me see. No, it's going too fast. No, never mind. So I would be aiming for here. But the price made this big move. But let's see if it comes here on the, what's this, 95,986. Let me see what gold is doing in the meanwhile. Nasdaq. Okay, I don't know why it closed, but let's enter again. Let me see. 145. You see, guys, no, I don't want to mention it, but, you know, no, none of this nonsense of, you know, buy side, sell side, all this crap. None of this. Am I in London? Am I in Asia? This is all garbage, man. I'm showing this here, man. I'm proving it to you. It's all nonsense. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. Just making these videos to show you. You don't need all that, all those gimmicks, you know, all those names, labeling. I don't know what they're even. With all due respect, I don't even know what there are. If you want to know more, you know, DM me on Discord. I might do a trade later, but I have to go and do something. But maybe I can do a trade around the, let me see what the time is, around the 11 a.m. So I might be back later. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye. You know, it's around the 4-hour candle. I'm gonna go short here. And I'm gonna put my stop loss above these highs. And let me see. Well, I'm not gonna aim for far. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, 1-on-1 would be here. This is very high probability that it is coming here. And so we already did a few trades. Let's just do the 1-on-1 here again. If it comes here, I'll, you know, buy or sell again, whatever you want to call it. I'll enter again here. So I'm being very lucky here. You know, this sometimes happens. Sometimes you get kicked out, you know, because of the spread. You know, these kinds of things. But again, we're lucky. I just realized that I always advise everyone to put their stop loss above the high when you go short. So I'm not following my own rules. But again, we're lucky.